Everyone wants to talk about Bitcoin. Maybe your friends argue about it at parties. Maybe you've seen it on the news when the price shoots up. Or maybe you've told yourself, one day, I'll buy some Bitcoin. But here's the brutal truth. Most people never become real Bitcoin owners. They wait. They hesitate. They fall into the same 3 traps over and over again. And unless you break out of those 3 traps, you'll keep watching from the sidelines while others step into ownership. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 things that will guarantee you never become a Bitcoin owner and how to avoid them before it's too late. If this is your first time on my channel or you're a returning viewer, thank you and welcome to Professor Beara, where we simplify digital currency for everyone. Here's the first trap: believing you need to time the market perfectly before you start. People say things like, I'll buy when Bitcoin hits $20,000 again, or I'll wait for the next crash. But let's be honest, if you've been waiting for years, how has that worked out? Every time you think it's too expensive, it goes higher. Every time you wait for it to crash, you freeze when the crash comes because you're afraid it might fall lower. That's the paradox. Waiting for the perfect moment usually means never acting at all. Real Bitcoin owners don't wait for perfect timing. They understand one truth. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Drop your answer in the comments right now. Have you been waiting for the perfect moment to buy? Yes or no? Be honest, because admitting it is the first step to changing it. Now imagine if you'd started small last year, even just $10 a week. Nothing life-changing at the time, but over months, you'd have built a habit, a stack, and a sense of ownership. You wouldn't be on the sidelines asking, when should I start? Because you would already be in. Ownership isn't about timing the top or bottom. It's about starting and letting time work in your favor. Here's the second painful trap. Most people who finally buy Bitcoin don't think like owners. They think like gamblers. They imagine turning a few $100s into millions in a matter of months. They expect overnight riches. And when it doesn't happen, they panic, they sell, and they walk away saying, Bitcoin doesn't work. But Bitcoin was never about quick flips. It was built for the long game. Let's look back at history. 1. In 2013, Bitcoin shot up to $1,150. But by 2015, it had crashed back to $200. Anyone thinking short-term gave up. 2. In 2017, it hit $20,000, then fell to around $3,200. Short-term thinkers disappeared again. 3. In 2021, Bitcoin touched $69,000, then dropped to a low of approximately $16,000. Same story. But here's what matters. Every single crash was followed by a new all-time high. Those who thought short-term lost. Those who thought long-term owned. Another quick question. When you imagine buying Bitcoin, are you thinking about the next weeks or the next years? Because your answer tells me whether you're thinking like a gambler or an owner. The third trap is letting fear and opinion stop you. Most people never become Bitcoin owners because they let fear, doubt, and other people's voices control their choices. They think, what if I lose everything? Or, what if my friends laugh at me? Or, what if that influencer on YouTube is right and I'm too late? That fear leads to paralysis. And paralysis means you never take action. But ownership doesn't start with money. It starts with conviction, and that conviction comes from knowledge. In the year 2017, there was this guy named Peter, who had about $300 then. He wanted to buy Bitcoin but kept saying, what if it crashes? What if I lose everything? So he waited. By December, Bitcoin hit $20,000. He was furious at himself, but instead of learning, he panicked. He bought at the top. Then, when the crash came, he sold everything at a loss. Why? Because he never built conviction. His decisions weren't his own. They were reactions to fear and noise. Here's the good news. Fear doesn't have to control you. The antidote to fear is knowledge. When you learn even the basics of Bitcoin, you will stop seeing it as scary and start seeing it as opportunity. Ownership begins in the mind before it begins in the wallet. And if you want to learn the basics of Bitcoin, I made a video on it, and the link to the video is on my description. You can watch the full video there. There are 3 practical steps to beating fear and stepping into ownership. Number 1 is starting small. Remember, you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can start with as little as $10 or $20. Ownership is about starting, not stacking millions overnight. 2. Learning as you go. Read articles, watch videos, and understand why Bitcoin exists. The more you know, the less the noise will shake you. 3. Thinking long-term. Instead of stressing about today's price, focus on where Bitcoin is heading to in the next 5 to 10 years. That's how true owners think. If this helped you see Bitcoin differently, hit that like button so more people like you can find this video. And if you have liked this video already, make sure you're subscribed because I'll be breaking down Bitcoin-related topics in future videos.